If you're looking for a complete Mediterranean dinner that's healthy, balanced, super tasty, and ready in less than 30 minutes, then join me for a Mediterranean kitchen dinner while I prepare an easy shrimp and chickpea recipe for you, with a side of air-fried garlicky green beans to round things out. So while you pull up a chair and grab a glass, I'll get started. I've heard from a bunch of you guys that it would be helpful to know how to put together a full meal, not just one recipe at a time, so that's what we're gonna do. I call these kitchen dinners. They're nothing fussy or fancy, they're just simple weeknight meals where I reach into the pantry and the fridge, grab a few ingredients, and pull together a quick, totally balanced Mediterranean plate. Today's dinner brings together two protein powerhouses, shrimp and chickpeas, in a garlicky, herby sauce and nutrient-dense fresh green beans that'll cook up in a flash in the air fryer while we're preparing the salad. Then we'll finish rounding out the plate with a simple hunk of fiber-rich, crusty whole grain bread. And in less than 30 minutes, we'll be ready to sit down and enjoy it. Rinse and remove the skins from 2 cans of chickpeas. Zest and juice 1 lemon and 1 lime. Small dice 1/4 cup red onion, finely mince 1/4 cup parsley, and mince 1 garlic clove. The beauty of these green beans is once I have them trimmed, all they need is a little spritz of olive oil, a little salt and pepper, into the air fryer for 7 or 8 minutes, and they're perfect. I absolutely love them. The other nice thing about them is that you can cook them up, serve them chilled, and they're awesome that way too. I don't know about you, but I always like to put a liner in the air fryer. It just makes cleaning easier. And now I'm going to put all these beans right in the fryer, toss them to get them even, and we're good to go. Whisk together 4 tablespoons of juice, the zest, 1 heaping teaspoon of Dijon mustard, pepper, salt, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add the parsley, the red onion, mix it up and toss in the chickpeas. Then go ahead and plate it up so that it's ready for the shrimp. Spritz a little olive oil on a griddle plate, and while it's getting really hot, toss the shrimp that's been patted dry with a little olive oil, minced garlic, and chili seasoning. Gently add the shrimp, giving plenty of space in between, and turn after 2 minutes for another 2 on the other side. See that? Crispy on the outside, totally juicy inside. Add a little lemon lime juice to infuse the shrimp with flavor, then remove them and use the rest of the juice to deglaze the pan. And in the amount of time it took to air fry the beans, we're ready to plate. Don't forget to add the pan juices. Garnish with a little greenery, parsley or chives, and round out the plate with healthy crispy green beans and some hunks of whole grain bread. If you watched my last-minute pantry video, then you'll know what the ingredient backup plan is that helps me put together dinners like this. But if not, it'd be a really good idea to click on this link next.